I'm unboxing the SteelSeries Apex 3 TKL. Best gaming keyboard wire. The freaking tape right here isn't even cool. Oh, and this is already torn as well. This is my favorite way to open a box. Oh, look at that. For glory. Here's your manual. It doesn't open up like a roadmap, so that's how you know it's good. And here's the actual keyboard. It's supposed to light up. Judging by how it sounds will tell us if it's good. For reference, here's my old keyboard. Let's unplug that. Get that out of there. Oh yeah, look at this baby.